written by
Dot, Kaley, Dorian, Quinn,
Jonah,
Elliot, Nick, Remy.
And this is our story.
And it's called The Legend of Candywise and How Halloween Was Created.
The fairy Candywise, the scariest, the fairyest. I'm the fairy Candywise who lives down in the sewer.
He's the fairy Candywise, the scariest, the fairyest. He's the fairy Candywise who lives down in the sewer. He wants to play twizzler tag, candy friends that sing and dance. But he's feeling green, 'cause he doesn't have no candy. He doesn't have no candy. He doesn't have no candy.
Oh, I know what I'll do now. Bring the candy here with me, so I can be king of candy, candy, candy time.
So he can be king of candy, candy, candy time. So he can be king of candy, candy, candy time.
All the candy in the world! I got it!
It is too expensive, said his mom.
And said his dad.
You cannot go up there, said both of them at once.
Landywise and Landywise, the second said so angrily.
He cannot go up there.
Well, people can see him.
They'll try to catch him.
Oh, whack him with a broom.
I went up and stole the candy in the middle of the night. All the candy that I stole came from Mr. Candy.
From the candy lord,
Gummy air of clerchies.
from the biggest candy store.
It's called Candy Store.
Ever since that day he played twizzler tag with Kaley's friends, and they had some tea.
Oh, this is fun for me!
Ever since that candy store, every day on that same night, and this is exactly how Halloween was born. The end.
Are the story wranglers.